Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the styling form. Okay, so this video is about the styling a form with the help of CSS. So in this video, it will be simply about how do we style the form with the help of CSS. So first of all, let me just create the form first. So I won't be explaining about the form and its elements. I will just simply write it and then we will be doing the styling on our form. So let's just start here. First of all, we're gonna use the form. We have to provide the action. I have a file here that I can use for the action. Okay, that was result page. That will be our action URL. Okay, so this is the code of the result page. Let me just show you here. So this is the simply code of the result page. It just simply shows you the output of your form. All right, so now let me just go back to our form. Okay, now we have a form. Okay, so I have to wrap it inside the form. I have done that mistake, so now it will work. Done. Our form is working perfectly, so all we need to do here is to style it right now. So for styling, first of all, I have to use the style attribute. The div element border radius would be 5px. Now we have to style our input and the select element. I have to specify the attribute here. That would be type and select. Now I have to style it. Okay, this is kind of looking terrible. Okay, I have to provide a value here as well. Text. Font size, border radius would font size 20px. Now what we need to do here, I have to add some margin. 0 would be fine. Okay, because it will just align the text here. Now you can see here that input text is exceeding the size of the div element. So how can we solve this? We can solve this by using box sizing, in which you have to provide the box border. Now it would be within the border of your div element. Okay, so this is how you can solve this thing. Now I have to style my submit button. Okay, so now I would like to add the background color of my submit button. That would be okay, so this would work fine. Now I have to change the color of the text. It would be white. Now I have to add border. Now I have to add font size. Margin would work fine here. Its width would be 100%. Margin would be 8px and 0px. Okay, now I have to add some padding so it will work fine. Okay, so we still have the sharp border here, so I have to make it border radius to 5px and now it will work fine. Okay, one more thing that I have to add here is the hover effect to my submit button. So it would be hover. So when I just move my cursor over the submit button, its color should change into the dark background color. Yeah, it is working fine. Okay, one more thing here that I would like to add, the cursor pointer. So I just add the cursor that when I just move my cursor over the submit button, its cursor change into the pointer. Okay, so we are done styling the form with the help of CSS. Now let me just add some text here. It would be Manchester, Edinburgh, right? Okay, so this is how you can style a form with the help of CSS, and this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.